Ever wished for Herculean forearms and wrists that command attention? Today, your wish is our command. Get ready to unlock the secrets of rapid growth and unwavering grip strength. We're diving into targeted exercises, expert strategies, and more. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's sculpt those powerhouse forearms together. Let's roll. Number 1. Exercise routine. Wrist curls. Use a dumbbell or a barbell. Sit on a bench with your forearms resting on your thighs and your wrists hanging over the knees. Hold the weight with an underhand grip and curl your wrists upward, then lower them back down. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Reverse wrist curls. Similar setup, but use an overhand grip. Curl your wrists upward and then lower them back down. Again, perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Farmer's walk. Hold a heavy dumbbell in each hand and walk for a distance. This works not only the forearms but the entire upper body. Start with shorter distances and gradually increase as your grip strength improves. Number 2. Grip strengthening. Gripper exercises. Invest in a quality grip strengthener. Squeeze it for a few sets of repetitions daily to enhance grip strength. Plate pinches. Hold weight plates with the smooth sides out and pinch them together using your fingertips. This challenges your grip strength and also works your forearms. Number 3. Stretching. Wrist flexor stretch. Extend one arm in front of you with your palm facing up. Use the other hand to gently press your fingers back. You should feel a stretch in the underside of your forearm. Wrist extensor stretch. Extend one arm in front of you with your palm facing down. Use the other hand to gently press your fingers down. You should feel a stretch on the top of your forearm. Number 4. Nutrition. A well-balanced diet plays a critical role in supporting muscle growth and overall fitness. To promote forearm and wrist muscle development, focus on consuming an adequate amount of protein, which is essential for tissue repair and growth. Lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and plant-based options like tofu and lentils are excellent choices. Additionally, include complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to provide energy for your workouts and aid in recovery. Healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil contribute to overall health and provide necessary nutrients. Staying properly hydrated is also essential for optimal muscle function and recovery. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you provide it with the building blocks it needs to support muscle growth and enhance your forearm and wrist strength. Number 5. Rest and recovery. Amidst the enthusiasm to build muscle, it's vital to recognize that muscles grow and strengthen during periods of rest and recovery, not just during workouts. Adequate rest allows your muscles, including your forearms and wrists, to repair and adapt to the stresses placed on them during exercise. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injury. Incorporate rest days into your routine to give your muscles time to heal and rebuild. Prioritize quality sleep, as it's during deep sleep that your body engages in tissue repair and releases growth hormones. Engaging in relaxation techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and massages can also aid in muscle recovery. Number 6. Consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful fitness journey. Building strength and muscle in your forearms and wrists requires a steady and sustained effort over time. Consistent workouts and adherence to your exercise routine ensure that you provide the necessary stimuli for muscle growth. Moreover, regularity helps your body adapt to the stressors of training, leading to improved endurance and strength. It's important to approach your exercises with patience and realistic expectations, as visible results might not appear overnight. Tracking your progress through journaling or photos can help you stay motivated and recognize the incremental changes that occur. Remember that muscle development is a gradual process that requires dedication to both workouts and recovery. Number 7. Gradual progression. Gradual progression lies at the heart of effective strength training. As you work on enhancing your forearms and wrists, it's essential to challenge them progressively to stimulate growth. Begin with a weight or resistance level that allows you to complete your sets with proper form while feeling a reasonable level of challenge. Over time, gradually increase the weight or resistance as your strength improves. This principle of progressive overload encourages your muscles to adapt and grow in response to increasing demands. Striking the right balance between pushing your limits and avoiding injury is crucial. Whether you're adjusting weights, repetitions, or exercise variations, the key is to continually provide your forearms and wrists with new challenges, ensuring consistent growth and improvement over the long term. Number 8. Warm-up. Prioritizing a proper warm-up is a crucial aspect of preparing your forearms and wrists for effective workouts. Engaging in dynamic stretches, wrist rotations, and light exercises specific to the muscle groups you're targeting can help increase blood flow, improve flexibility, and mentally prepare you for the upcoming exercises. For your forearm and wrist-focused routines, consider performing controlled wrist curls with light weights or using resistance bands to warm up these areas specifically. By gradually elevating your heart rate and activating the relevant muscle groups, you reduce the risk of injury and ensure that your muscles are primed for the more intense exercises to follow. Number 9. Avoid overtraining. While enthusiasm for progress is commendable, it's essential to strike a balance between challenging yourself and allowing your body adequate time to recover. Overtraining occurs when you consistently push your muscles beyond their capacity without allowing them to recuperate, leading to potential setbacks in strength and overall fitness. Signs of overtraining include persistent fatigue, decreased performance, mood changes, and an increased risk of injury. Incorporate rest days into your routine to provide your forearms and wrists the time they need to repair and grow. Listen to your body's signals. If you're feeling overly fatigued or notice decreased performance, it might be a sign to scale back temporarily. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to achieving those rock-solid forearms and wrists you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication to these exercises and strategies, you're on your way to a grip that won't quit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content that fuels your fitness journey. Until next time, keep pushing, keep lifting, and keep those forearms and wrists unstoppable. Stay strong, everyone.